Most large organizations genuinely believe they are doing DevOps. This perception often leads to a false sense of security. The truth is, DevOps itself is not failing in enterprises. Instead, enterprises are misunderstanding DevOps, leading to implementation challenges. This raises the question, does DevOps only work easily in small companies? If it primarily suits smaller environments, then why do enterprises keep copying it? To understand this, we must return to the fundamental question, why was DevOps created in the first place? DevOps was born to fix three core problems that plagued traditional software delivery. The first major problem DevOps aimed to solve was slow delivery. The second problem was dealing with fragile releases, where new deployments often led to instability. Finally, DevOps sought to eliminate the blame culture that arose from handoffs and production failures. In many organizations attempting DevOps, engineers are told that they have ownership. Specifically, engineers are told, "You own production." However, these engineers often don't control the infrastructure necessary for that ownership. They also lack control over change windows, which dictates when deployments can happen. Furthermore, they don't control the security rules that govern their deployments and environments. If they don't have control over these elements, then that is not true ownership. Instead of ownership, this lack of control combined with accountability is simply exposure. So let's clearly define what enterprise DevOps is not, based on common misconceptions. Enterprise DevOps is not merely the creation of a DevOps team. It's also not just a job title, such as DevOps engineer. It is not simply adopting specific tools like Kubernetes. And enterprise DevOps is not just the continuous integration and continuous delivery or CI/CD pipeline. If it isn't any of these things, what does enterprise DevOps actually look like? Enterprises and startups differ fundamentally in what they optimize for. Enterprises primarily optimize for mitigating risk across their operations. They also prioritize meeting compliance standards and regulatory requirements. And enterprises optimize for predictability in their systems and delivery. In contrast, startups have a different set of priorities that drive their optimization efforts. Startups generally optimize for speed and rapid iteration. The other key focus for startups is continuous experimentation to find product-market fit. The core dilemma is whether DevOps principles can work successfully when an organization is optimized for risk. The traditional enterprise model separated development and operations, creating a handoff problem. This separation optimized for control but resulted in slow delivery and fragile systems. The modern enterprise model, applying DevOps correctly, places ownership with the product team from code to production. Control is enforced automatically via the CI/CD pipeline, minimizing manual handoffs and building confidence. As organizations scale, platform teams emerge. They create shared, self-service capabilities like CI/CD and infrastructure. This embeds control within the platform, enabling product teams to move quickly without sacrificing standards. Site Reliability Engineering, or SRE, formalizes reliability by measuring the service through the user's eyes using SLOs and error budgets. This brings clarity during incidents and forces the organization to confront the actual cost of failure. DevSecOps reframes security by quietly shifting it left, integrating automated checks into the flow. Governance is enforced through policy as code, replacing slow, inconsistent human approvals and allowing the organization to change safely. In a mature enterprise, leadership sets boundaries, platforms provide guardrails, and product teams build confidently. DevOps principles transform into platform and reliability engineering, allowing the organization to change safely, even under pressure. If organizations have all the DevOps tools they were promised, why do the same failures keep repeating? The answer isn't technology, it's how decisions are made under pressure. That's where the next video begins.